Hello real fashionistas, today I will be showing you how to use a needle and the thread to sew clothes and make stitches. So we're gonna tie the thread first on a one ply, twist it like this and pull it. I'm using a lighter fabric and darker thread for you to see better, and I made a little marks of strokes how you could sew it. So you see those are little strokes. This is how you're gonna make strokes also. So we're starting using our needle, making a first stroke, and we have to attach it, secure the thread. So once we are starting sewing on a corner, this is what we're gonna do to make sure that stitches are secured. And push it under and pull it one more time like this. So now we're gonna make a strokes. A little bit, you can choose the width of strokes, but just a small stroke like this. One in, and then second one out. Like that. Again, one in and one out. Like that, slowly. Always be careful and don't rush when you're sewing, especially when you're learning how to sew. Again, one in, a small stroke, and one out. One in and one out. Once you get skilled, you're gonna do it faster. In and out, and in and out. You see, like that. Keep your other finger away from needle and just stretch the fabric a little bit like that. So you're gonna become more faster. Here. Now, once we finish it, we flip it. This is the easiest way for the beginners. And then we're gonna try to fill out these holes in between. So once you flipped it, you go in here and out, then you go again in, out, and in again and out. Push the thread just like that. You see? Till the end. And then once you're gonna get here, you're gonna attach and secure the thread again. Now I'm gonna make actual stitch so you can see. So we wanna try to sew this, make a stitch securely, right? We're gonna start attaching the thread, securing the thread. Just like that, not first and then secure it with one stroke. Oh, got twisted. Oh, yeah. Here. So now we're gonna start making strokes, small strokes in and out. And remember, you can mark the strokes if you want it to make it easier for you here. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. If you can't do it with this speed, you can do it one by one, just like that. In and out, and pull it. In and out, and pull it. For security, always wear a thimble, so it's gonna protect your finger from pinching. Here, in and out. And now we're gonna fill out these strokes back. So once you like finish, you flip to the opposite side and you start filling out this leftover open spaces here, in and out, and pull the thread, in and out, and pull the thread, in and out, and pull the thread. You see, now it doesn't have to be perfect, remember? Here, once you pull it, these are the stitches you're gonna make. Here we are. So those are very, very basic and easy stitches to make. Now I'm gonna show you another style. I'm gonna show you the other style. We're gonna thread the needle just like that. Or if you feel like it's not going in there, you can just cut the rough part off, and it's gonna be smoother, and you just sew it here. I mean, you just loop it here. Then I cut my thread and I knot it like that, twist it and pull it, and then I put my thimble on my finger, so it's gonna protect me from pinching, needle pinching, right? And now I'm gonna make another kind of a stitch here. So once I start sewing, I'm remembering to attach thread on a corner so it's not gonna fall apart. You see? Now, if I want to make another kind of stitches, this is another way how to sew. You pull it, make a larger stroke, and you push it like that outside, and then you go in to the leftover area and out like that. Let me just hold it better for you here, and you go to the leftover area, basically not forward but backward here, and out, right? Same stroke, just more different. You see here, if you flip it, it finishes up differently. Then you go back again on the leftover stroke, and then you push it a little bit farther like that. Basically, thread is in the middle. Thread is in the middle here. One more time. So you go back, make a stroke, and then you go forward and make a stroke here, push the thread, and again you go back, and then you go forward and you push the thread. Then you go back again and you go forward. The thread is in the middle like that, and you push it. And once you want to finish it, see the other side, once you want to finish it, you go back again and you go right at the needle, right at the thread, pinch out right at the thread, and you tie it on the corner. Just make a little tiny stroke in and out and push the thread. And for better attachment, you just loop it like that and push it. That's it. And you're gonna cut it off right here. And you can cut this out also, right? And we have a stitch here.